Hello, 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 and welcome. We are winding down here in computer science principles. Just a couple of weeks left. This week is our last assignment. After this, you guys are all done. We'll have one short survey coming out next week just to kind of gauge how you guys felt about this quarter, but otherwise, we will be finished. So, yeah, let's do it. Now, if you do still owe me things, I am happy to take them. Please, please, please get them into me. Let's pass this quarter. If you're not passing, you know who you are. I've sent you emails. Please, please, please get passing. You can also check your grades. If you have below a 50%, you're not passing. That's how this works. All right. Let's move on here. I am still happy to challenge you in a game of skill of your choice if you come to one of our live Zoom meetings, as few people do. So please, please, please consider showing up. I'd love to see you. Love to talk to you, get your opinions on things. And if you need any help, of course, I am more than available. Let me know or come to our Zoom meetings as scheduled. All right. What are we doing this week? We are wrapping up data storage. Really, really straightforward, really easy. Shouldn't be any problems. But again, if you have problems, let me know and we can work through them. Shouldn't be too hard. We're going to continue identifying volatile and permanent data storage, and we're going to use records to create apps with multiple sessions available to the app. And how we're doing that? Well, we're going to be updating and deleting records. So real quick, what are we talking about here? On code.org, you guys are going to be doing lesson 10. Lesson 10 is all about reading and updating records. And you guys are also going to do lesson 11, which is deleting records. Neither of these lessons are too crazy. They're both really short. Should be a nice, easy wrap up to your semester here. Basically, this one introduces a way to access your database after it's been created. How do you get to one from your program after it's been restarted, right? That's the real way we take advantage of this capability. If we only have it while we're running the app the first time, that defeats the purpose. And the second one here is at some point you're probably going to need to clean up your database. You don't want to just have all of your information you've ever stored forever in there. That would be very wasteful, so we need a way to delete things. I really don't want to talk too much more about these because I think they're more interesting to discover on your own. And if you have questions, come to our live feedings and I'll be happy to share anything you need in order to understand these concepts. Okay, your projects, the create and explore tasks. I have graded them. I have emailed you or shared with you a grade sheet for each one. Please let me know if you didn't get one or if there's an issue, but your grade should be up on my MCPS. Again, keep in mind, since we're in this fluid situation with the coronavirus epidemic, your grades aren't being weighed the normal way they would be. So these are just normal formative assignments for this quarter, nothing crazy. They're not weighed more than anything else. So realistically, they shouldn't be tanking your grade if you didn't do so hot. I tried to be as honest and straightforward with my feedback as I could. I tried to be impartial and much like an AP grader would grade it. So if something, was a really cool program and I really loved it, but you wrote about it in a kind of meh fashion, you didn't really explain your thought process very well, even if your code was really complex, you didn't do so hot. Whereas you could write a really easy program, but describe your thought process in length and with great detail, you got probably a lot of points. So something to think about. And please do take the feedback as constructive criticism. Again, you're not going to fail the quarter just because you didn't do well in this project. Having said that, there are a bunch of people who are missing stuff from last week. Again, we are doing things on code.org. Please, please, please get in there and complete the lessons. I'll continue emailing you until you get in there and do it so I can leave you alone. So just save us both the hassle, please. That's all I got. So you got 2 lessons to do, lessons 10 and 11. reading and deleting records, and then you're done, man. And you can go out there and enjoy the really nice weather. I know that's what I want to do. So let's get this party wound down, and I'll see you guys in our Zoom meetings. Take it easy.